Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Abercrombie Andrew, aka Wolfella, aka Spider-Man. In the past, I have done an underwater straitjacket escape, and I have done an underwater handcuff escape. Today, I'm going to combine the two and do an underwater blindfolded straitjacket and handcuff escape. This is by far the most dangerous escape that I have done up until this point. So if I do it correctly and I'm living at the end of this, please make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and go check out some of the other escapes I've done. Let's do it.